Good morning, children. Today we are going to do an activity related to seasons. That is yarn wrapping activity. Children, what is a season? Season are different types of weather in a year. Now, children, you have already learned that in India there are three seasons: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. But children, you all know outside India, around the world, there are four seasons. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now, children, let's understand these different seasons one by one. Now, the first is spring. Children, this is the queen of all the seasons. The temperature in this season is moderate. In this season, the environment is very beautiful. You all know why? Because in this season, the plants bloom and there are colorful flowers everywhere. See, children, you can see over here. The environment is so beautiful. So many flowers are there, different color flowers. And there are beautiful sounds of birds and bees. Okay, so that's why it is called the queen of all the seasons. Now, next, summer season. Children, this is the hottest season of the year. Sometimes the rays of the sun are so strong that it is impossible to go outside. Children, we like to drink or eat cold things and like to play in the pool to protect ourselves from the heat. Children, because of the sun rays in this season, most of the water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, wells, they dry. Okay. Now, children, in some parts of the world, there is rainy season. Okay. The rainy season comes after the summers. Now the temperature becomes cold and the environment is green because of the rainy water and fresh air. Now next is autumn. Children, autumn is also called fall. The temperature becomes cold and most of the crops are grown in this season only. The leaves of the trees changes from green to yellow, orange or brown and they start falling from the trees. Okay, now in this season animals start storing their food for winter season. Children, next is winter season. It is the coldest season of the year. In some parts, it is so cold that there is snowfall. You all can see over here. There is snow everywhere on the roofs of the houses, on the ground, on the trees. Okay, children. Now, children, you all have learned different seasons of the world. Now, let's see how are the trees in these different seasons look like. Now, first is spring. Now, what we have learned in spring season? That the spring season is the most beautiful seasons of all the seasons, right? In this season, the plants blossom and there are beautiful and colorful flowers everywhere. See, in spring season, the tree looks like this, green and colorful with different flowers. Now next, in summer season, the tree looks like this. There are fruits on the trees. In autumn season, the leaves of the plant changes its color from green to orange and yellow or brown and they start falling from the tree. Okay, so in autumn season, the tree looks like this. All the leaves start falling from the trees. in winter season there is snow everywhere. So during winter season the trees looks like this. There is snowfall on the trees, white snowfall. Okay children, now we have learned the different seasons and understood it properly. Now let's do the activity children. Now this is yarn wrapping activity. Okay, now for doing this activity, what materials we require? Let's see them first. We require wool of different colors: green, brown, orange, white, yellow. Okay, then cardboard. Now children, you can take cardboard from any old box or from the books also, the front page of the books. You can take that also. Then you require different color craft papers. You require a glue, sellotape and scissors. Okay children, now let's do the activity. So children, first we have to take the cardboard and then we are going to draw the shape of a tree. Like this. Okay. Okay, like this shape of the tree. And now we are going to draw the trunk of the tree. Okay, like this. Okay, tree shape and the trunk of the tree. Now what we have to do? Now we are going to cut it out. Okay, but children, you all have to be very careful. Okay, cutting part you have to take help of your parents because you should not handle the scissors alone. So for cutting this you will take help of your parents. Okay. Okay children, so like this you have to take the cutouts. Now children, like this you have to take 4 trees because there are 4 seasons. So like this 4 trees you have to take. Now what we will do? Now we are going to take the wool. Okay. So we are going to take the wool. Now this green color is for summer season. Now before that what we have to do? Children, we are going to cut the edges of the trees like this. Okay, small cuttings you have to do on the edges of the tree so that when we will wrap the wool on it, it will hold the wool properly. Okay, like this small cuttings you have to do. Now take the wool and on the back side put a sellotape and stick it. You have to stick the end of the wool. Now go on wrapping like this. Okay, children. Like this, go on wrapping. These cuttings will help to hold the wool properly on the edges. Like this, go on wrapping till the full tree is covered. Okay, like this. Now we are going to cut it. And then what we have to do? We have to take this edge on the back side. Okay, and then stick it with the cello tape. Like this, with cello tape we have to stick. Okay, now take the trunk of the tree, and then for that we are going to use brown color. Okay, brown color woolen we are going to take, and then we are going to wrap it. This also back side we are going to put a cello tape. Like this. Okay. Now like this 4 trees I have prepared. Okay. This is summer season, spring, autumn and winter. Okay, season. For summer season we have took dark green wool. For spring, light green wool. For autumn, orange color wool. And for winter season, white color wool. Now what we have to do? Now we are going to stick some fruits on this summer season tree. Now for that I have took small cutouts from red color paper. Circles I have cut, and then with the help of glue we are going to stick this. Take red color craft paper and draw small circles like fruits and cut them out. Okay. Like this fruits I am going to stick. Okay, like this. Now take spring season. Now spring season is a beautiful season with colorful flowers all around. So what I have done, I have took some colorful papers, light pink, dark pink, and then made small flowers out of it. You can make the flowers of your wish. Then take the glue, then go on sticking. Okay, like this. Flowers, different flowers. Keep it aside. Now let's take. Now in autumn season, as you all know, the leaves start falling from the tree. Now this is winter season. Now in winter season we see snowfall. Now we are going to stick snowflakes on it. Now I have took white color paper and I have cut the snowflakes like this. Now I am going to stick them one by one. Okay, like this snowflakes. Now our 4 trees are ready. Now what we are going to do? We are going to join the trunk to the tree. For that we'll take the tree one by one. Okay, turn it and then put this trunk over here. And then take a sellotape and then stick it. See, like this. Okay. Okay, children. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. Okay. So how was the activity, children? Isn't it interesting? Now we are going to sing a song on seasons. You all have to sing along with me. So shall we start? Okay. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, you got 4 terrific reasons to shout out and name the seasons. Clap your hands. If you really like the winters, go like this. Brrr. If you really like the winters, go like this. Brrr. Because winter is the season when your nose is always freezing and you're shivering and sneezing. Go like this. Brrr. In the spring you run and play and shout hooray, hooray! In the spring you run and play and shout hooray, hooray! In the spring the grass is growing and a gentle breeze is blowing and a warmer sun is glowing. Shout hooray, hooray! If you really like the summer, stamp your feet. If you really like the summer, stamp your feet. In the summer you can play and swim and camp and fish all day. Oh summer, please don't go away. Stamp your feet. If you really like the autumn, slap your knees. If you really like the autumn, slap your knees. When it's beginning to get cold and the leaves turn red and gold and it's back to school you go, slap your knees. Okay, very nice. Enjoy, children? Okay, now we'll meet in another session. Thank you.